Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. In this tutorial we will discuss the top most important thesis and dissertation websites. So, let's start. Okay. Open your Chrome browser. Then type Open Access Thesis and Dissertation, and press Enter. Alright. Next click on first website that appear on your screen. Next, you can search keywords, like titles, authors, etc. For example, I want dissertation about management, and click search. Okay. Now you can see different sources has been opened. Just click on URL of any dissertation that you want to open. Okay. Next, when your required thesis and dissertation opened, you can download easily. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.